Hi everyone and welcome back to Mad Investor. As you know, I like to cover different topics, and today I'm coming to you with a topic which a lot of you were asking about it, and we'll talk about the airdrops and exactly how to find crypto airdrops online, as I think they're kind of like a way of picking up the money right from the stream because it's just laying around there waiting for you. So I actually have top 3 websites which I very much like for finding the airdrops. And the first website which we're going to talk about is actually the CoinMarketCap. I find often CoinMarketCap the good airdrops. At the moment I record this video, unfortunately, there is none because it's kind of like a holiday period. But you can look at the previous airdrops where you can see how many different airdrops has been actually created and how many winners has been here. And I think this is pretty cool because it shows that a lot of people have the chance to pick up some free money. And for majority of those airdrops, like for example, I don't know, let's go for Top Goal, right? For all of those, you always get some kind of requirements which you need to fulfill to get that airdrop. But for majority of them, it's actually free. So you just need to click a few things and do it. But the cool thing is, and I think that will interest a lot of you, is that kind of while I was searching a lot of airdrops and I've been experimenting with various providers, I was actually trying to find a good provider for airdrops. And what I'm talking about it is Proxy, because Proxy actually helps you to get more airdrops and more inputs into the airdrops. And I've discovered a relatively new proxy provider called NodeMaven. And actually, this is a pretty cool provider because the NodeMaven, actually now you can see it. So with the NodeMaven, we can see that they're 90% of their proxies of which are clean and safe to use comparing to most of the popular providers. And majority of the proxies have like a 25 at best. So what I really like is that, this is kind of a way that, it's easy to grab a look. And one of the things which I see people doing is using the pixel scan to kind of check the proxies, because proxies are a cool way to actually make sure that those IPs are actually valid. So what I kind of read about it and made a bit of a research is that you're only assigned an IP after it passes through their advanced quality assurance algorithm. And I think this is a pretty cool thing. When it comes to the pricing of that proxy, I think it's very affordable because it starts at 35 euros a month with their basic kind of package, which gives you access to over 5 million IPs. But you can start from their trial, which is only $3.99, which I think makes it extremely affordable. And as you can see, their top residential proxies locations are in United States, Germany, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and China. So now I'm gonna test out the NodeMaven proxies by using the Pixel Scan widget on the Firefox. And for it, I'm gonna go to the proxy setup and I'm gonna generate some proxies, and let's say proxies, so like I don't know, 40 of those. So you're actually seeing that on a slightly bigger amount. Actually, can I just copy all of them? Yeah, like that. All right. And then just do a bulk proxy check. That will probably just take a few seconds longer. Run a new test, paste, check proxies. So I can bet it will take around 20 to 30 seconds. But it's all right because we're a patient crowd. Look at that. I put actually the bigger amount, 97% success rate with only 5% of the low quality IPs. The average high quality level is very high. As you can see, high, risk score only like 1%. Some of them only have it low, and this probably is 5%. I think that's a very good quality of the proxies. So if you're grabbing some airdrops, proxies are a great way to, in a way, avoid being detected and at the same time pick up some more entries. But shh, don't share. All right, so let's get back to the video. The second page, which I would like to share with you, it's actually the Airdrops IO. So Airdrops IO has multiple different airdrops as well. And the first thing which I like about it is that you kind of have three categories: the latest airdrops, the hottest, and the potential airdrops. So latest one are actually just airdrops which have recently have been added. The hottest one are the one which are grabbing most of the traction. And the potential one are actually a lot of users, or the actual platform is putting the airdrops which might happen. And often you also have the kind of value what you need to do or what you will get. So for example, with hottest one, which is Tari, the action is to collect gems, and you actually have the step-by-step kind of tutorial what to do to get the gems. And I think this is pretty cool because it allows you to get free money which is laying on the street. So going to the last airdrop, which is the DApp Radar. This is something which I often like to use as well. When you go to DApp Radar, then rewards and airdrops, and as you can see, it's a new section. So you can see a lot of airdrops which are kind of they will happen, they're already happening, or they've already happened. And as you can see, for example, we have a ZK Finance ZGT token airdrops, which is like estimated date on Q3, likelihood confirmed. So when you click that, you have the step-by-step guide, kind of what you need to do to receive those airdrops, what are the kind of balances and transactions. I think that's, the easiest way for everyone to grab some free money. And obviously one of the last things to grab all the cool airdrops is follow our channel, because we're adding a lot of cool projects, cool news, and also for airdrops and promotion, so you can start your journey in crypto in an easy way. This is it from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. If yes, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care.
Bad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures he's found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds. Unlocking the secrets of the blockchain.